Hey guys, AllyZieMage here. It's currently like 1:30 a.m. in the airport, and it's I'm trying to go between terminals and there's practically no one. So I thought, you know, let's do a cool shot like this. Because I still have all of that to go. Yeah, I'm just standing here. I'm not walking. It's 1:30 a.m. Screw that shit. However, I don't think I can vlog and walk too much because I have two suitcases and I only have 2 hands. So until I clear security, can't do that. Anyways, I am starting to approach close to the end of my line. So, fairly well, and I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, whoa, whoa, it's a Japan plane. It's a Japan plane. Can I just gonna go on that. Just hijack it. Hey guys, AllyZieMage here, and new haircut. Whoa, in London. Also, I have a splint on my arm. In London. But yeah, so here's just like some outside views of like where I'm at. It's a building next to another building by our building. V fancy, I know. So I haven't been able to record much because it's been busy, but I guess here's a quick update. This is my room. The other side's my roommate's, so I'm not going to point at it. Got a splint because I almost tore the ligament in this wrist by reading. That's my best guess. But yeah. On my fancy camera. I got a haircut because I've always wanted short hair. I now have a boyfriend that doesn't care if I have short hair. So I have short hair. That's literally, I've been wanting to do this forever. But yeah, so this video is just going to be a mashup of things that I record here. There might be 2 depending on how much I'm able to record eventually. But yeah, you're in for a ride. guys, AllyZieMage here, and welcome to London. I'm with my lovely boyfriend here. I don't have a viewfinder on this, so I don't actually know if it's looking accurate.
Yeah, that's spot on.
Well, I wasn't sure about you.
You're the star of the show.
Anyways,
It's your channel. Like hijack it. This is my channel now.
Today we are going to Covent Garden. I think that's how it's pronounced. I don't. Yeah, I said Covent.
Covent.
Yeah. Covent. Anyways, to get what is called a freak shake from Maxwell's Bar and Grill. It looks like a fairly large restaurant, so I should able to film in it. Also, blue bus.
Hey, ice cream.
That's weird here.
Getting milkshakes.
Yeah, we're not blue milkshakes.
Okay.
But yeah, taking you along on that journey. So here is the Oreo Freak Shake from Maxwell's Bar and Grill. Let's see if I can actually cut into this. Nope. No, it's not gonna work that way either. But you get a fan of ice cream with chocolate sauce and Oreos, Oreo crumbs, ice cream, and actual Oreo, lots of cream, and then the milkshake's in there. It looks amazing and the cream itself is good. I'm gonna go try and eat this massive thing now. Alright guys, so we just finished at Maxwell's. There it is. I was super zoomed in.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just on this little side street. We had some issues finding it. Google Maps is not generous in terms of locating it. You can't just put in the address, that just takes you to the Covent Garden Mall. So yeah, good luck if you're interested. There were some really good freak shakes. Here's a poster of their other freak shakes. But yeah, they're really tasty. There's a lot of cream, so if you're not a fan of whipped cream, I wouldn't suggest it, but if you are, it's great. Also, cream is different in the UK than it is in the States. Cream is different in the UK than it is in the States. So keep that in mind. It's a bit more dense and it's less sweet. So like if you made heavy whipping cream into whipped cream, that's what it tastes like. But yeah.